Crude coming under pressure, the TI contract and Brent, as a result of some comments that have been made in Russia and in St. Petersburg by the Saudi energy minister. Mr. Al-Falih has been talking. He walked into the room, and when he walked into the room, he talked to our very own Annemarie Hordern. Annemarie joins us now from St. Petersburg. What did he say?
Morning, Guy. Yeah, that's right. Before he sat down, I had a quick moment with him, and I was asking about what they're going to do about what's happening with the market right now. They're going to make up this supply gap. He said, listen, it's not about market share. They need to do the right thing for the market. All producers agree on that. And the one thing he stressed was that they have this consumer angst, and they want to keep the consumer angst to a minimum. And we've seen the consumers already, have some worries about where the price is going and where the market rebalancing is going. When I was at the IEF in India, in Delhi, the Indian oil minister, Pradhan, was saying that prices are way too high. This is one thing they want to talk to the Saudis about. In the U.S., we're on the verge of the biggest driving season. Gasoline prices are at a 3-year high. Democrats are urging President Trump to stand up to OPEC. At the last JMMC, he even tweeted saying OPEC is artificially pushing prices higher. So there's a lot of consumer angst, and that's what they seem to be addressing here today in St. Petersburg.
Annemarie, we're just also getting some news from Al-Falih saying that Saudi Aramco IPO will be most likely in 2019. Going back to the supply boost, do we know if they're worrying that actually consumption gets hurt if prices are too high?
Well, the story is that, we had that great exclusive story that they want prices to be, as high as they can before, as they look to IPO. They have been saying that 2019 is the likely time when they would be able to IPO. Whether or not where the price will be when they IPO will remain to be seen. It really depends on what happens with Iran, what happens with Venezuela, and this supply-demand story, friend.